Today we're solving multi-step equations. So we have to solve 2c plus c plus 12 equals 78. We want to solve for c, but notice that we have c two times. We have 2c plus c. These are like terms. That means we can combine our like terms. 2c plus c is 3c plus 12 equals 78. Now that we've combined our like terms, we can start solving for c. So first thing we have to do is the inverse of plus 12. What's the inverse of plus 12? Minus 12. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So 66 is equal to 3c. What do we do next? The inverse of multiplication is division, so we divide by 3. What you do to one side, you do to the other. C is equal to 22. Can we check our answer? Yes, so let's try checking. If we check 2c plus c plus 12 equals 78. If c is equal to 22, so I've substituted c for 22. This means 44 plus 22 plus 12 should equal 78. Is this true? 66 plus 12 equals 78. Yes, 78 equals 78. That means our answer of c equals 22 is correct. So we have to solve 4b plus 16 plus 2b equals 46. We have to start by combining the like terms and then solving. 4b plus 2b is 6b plus 16 equals 46. We have to start by subtracting 16 to both sides. 6b equals 30. We will divide by 6 to both sides. b equals 5. If we have to solve negative 2 times b minus 4 equals 12, the first thing we have to do is distribute negative 2. This means negative 2 times b plus negative 2 times negative 4 equals 12. Negative 2b plus 8 is equal to 12. Now we can start solving by subtracting 8 to both sides. Negative 2b equals 4. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. b equals negative 2. If we're solving 15 equals negative 3 times x minus 1 plus 9, we have to begin by distributing negative 3. So negative 3 times x plus negative 3 times negative 1. Negative 3x plus 3 plus 9 equals 15. What are the like terms? 3 and 9. So 15 equals negative 3x plus 12. Subtract 12 to both sides. 15 minus 12 is 3 equals negative 3x. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. Negative 1 is equal to x. If we have 2x over 3 plus x over 2 equals to 7, this means exactly the same thing as 2/3 x plus 1/2 x equal to 7. Do we have like terms? Yes. 2/3 x and 1/2 x are like terms. We need to add these. Going to show my work on the side. The common denominator between 2 and 3 would be 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. With an x. 4 plus 3 is 7 over 6x. This means 7 over 6x is equal to 7. What do we have to do when we're multiplying times a fraction? We have to multiply times its reciprocal, right? What you do to one side, you do to the other. Can we cross cancel? X equals 6. Another way to solve this problem is by clearing the fraction. That means we have to multiply everything by the least common denominator, in this case 6. We multiply 6 times 2x, it would be 12x over 3. 6 times x would be 6x over 2. And 6 times 7 would be 42. We can simplify each of these fractions. 12 over 3, this becomes 4x. 6 over 2 plus 3x equals 42. Do we have common like terms? Okay. Let's add our like terms. So 4 plus 3 is 7x equals 42. And we finish up by dividing by 7. This means x equals 6. Did we get the same answer as before? Yes, this is called clearing the fraction. Let's try solving this equation by clearing the fraction. What is the least common denominator between 3 and 8? 24. So if we multiply 24 times 2, we get 48x over 3. 24 times 5 would be 120 over 8. And 24 times 26 would be 624. We can simplify. 48 divided by 3 is 16x. 120 divided by 8 is 15x. And it is equal to 624. Can we combine like terms? 16x minus 15x is just x. X is equal to 624. Working out the same problem the other way, we would have to combine our like terms. That means 2/3 x minus 5/8 x. Our common denominator is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 3, 15. Bring my minus sign. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 15 is 1 over 24. That means 1 over 24x equals 26. I have to multiply by the reciprocal. 24 over 1. What you do to one side, you do to the other. And 26 times 24 is 624. So 624 equal to x. We've got the same answer both ways.